spring of 2007, Dr. Campbell started the project Conserving Arkansas's Agricultural Heritage, or CAH.
Boy, she's got some interesting seeds.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
Oh, eggplants. I do need eggplants. Oh, good. I like the way you did this. While you're sitting there, if you want to look at my seed list, and if there's anything there that you want me to bring to next year's let me know.
Somebody told me, oh, there's some lady, Dakota, that's starting a seed bank. So I wanted to hear about what she had going on, what she had learned. And so she told me, she said, well, I know the Claiborne's got some pinto beans that you need to get a hold of for the seed bank. And so that's how I originally heard about y'all.
You go to Dakota's place?
No, I've never been to Dakota's. I'm going to go out there sometime because I guess she's got a lot of different seed.
She lives on, my grandfather's used to own this farm down there in Hurricane Creek.
Yeah.
There were several people down there for a while, but it was too tough for all of them to her, and she's the only one that's
She's the only one that's been able to stick it out.
Yeah.
I was always told that this is something a woman can't do. A woman cannot live alone in the wilderness. Absolutely. No, 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 no. So, of course, I had to check it out and see if that's true. We limit ourselves by these ideas of, well, this can't be done, and that can't be done, and that's impossible. And in these modern times, we can't have a Thoreau experience, and we can't, it's like it's gone, it used to be, and it's all gone now, and so we might as well just bite the bullet and march to the current drumbeat. I've been on the path of the adventurer, and to me, this is the next great adventure, is learning that the ancient traditions aren't necessarily anachronistic and gone, that they may be very pertinent now, and they may be within our reach, and we may be able to regain a lot of the knowledge we thought was lost, and I think a lot of it's in our bloods, and when we're sitting there doing the seeds, it comes back. The whole notion of cultivation, it's a thread that runs through cultivating the soil of the land and cultivating the soil of one's own being at the same time, and it's a relationship between those two. The garden grows the gardener.